National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Callahan County in west central Texas, Taylor County in west central Texas, east central Nolan County in west central Texas, southwestern Shackelford County in west central Texas, southeastern Jones County in west central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles west of you, or 19 miles southwest of Abilene, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Dias Air Force Base around 6:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Cayenne Buffalo Gap around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Potosi around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hammy around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Impact, Ovalo, Kirby Lake, Lake Abilene, Camp Bunkawa, and Camp Budman. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 258 and 297. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.